The trouble code P1101 is connected with the air intake in the Chevy Malibu and other Chevrolet vehicles, and somehow a lot of owners believe there is a recall with free repair for this. But no, Chevrolet has issued a couple of bulletins to help their technicians sort out the problem, but no warranty extensions, or free repairs, or whatever. So one of the documents is the Preliminary Information Bulletin PIP5402D, which tells technicians to check the O-ring seal in the charge air cooler coupler. I believe it's not a DIY job unless you can work on engine systems, but still it shouldn't be a very expensive repair. According to this bulletin, the 2013-2019 model year Malibu cars are prone to such issues. And secondly, there was another preliminary bulletin number PIP54173 that I unfortunately can't find to show you. But it's very simple, and it says to check the positive crankcase ventilation valve, the PCV. This valve may be clogged and it affects the inner pressure in the block, leading to some anomalies with engine sensors. Basically, installing the new PCV valve solves the problem. Unfortunately, the repair is also not DIY friendly, but it still won't be very expensive. Other than that, the P1101 code may pop up when there are issues with the air intake, the MAF sensor being too dirty, or throttle body contamination, but all these reasons are not as common as the ones described by the bulletins.